How to get boarding pass on your Southwest Airlines account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get boarding pass on your Southwest Airlines. So to get your boarding pass, the major way is to log in into your Southwest Airlines account. Once you're logged in, to log in, enter in southwest.com in your search box, and then this home page will be displayed. Then move to the top right corner and click on login. So just click on enter in your details like your account name or your username, your password, then click on login, and then automatically you'll be logged in into your account. So once you're logged in, scroll down to the page where you can see a box where you see options like flights, vacations, hotels, car, check-in, flight status, change slash cancel. So just go ahead and click on check-in. All right. So after clicking on check-in, you be and another box will be displayed where you'll be asked to enter in your confirmation number, then your first name and your last name, and then your confirmation number is usually sent to you after you have purchased or you have booked a flight. So in the receipt sent to you, your confirmation number would also be there. So just go ahead, log in into your account and copy the confirmation number, paste it here, then click on check-in. So once you click on check-in, on the check-in page, you will see the option view boarding pass. View boarding pass. Just click on it and then save the boarding pass to your device by clicking on the camera icon at the top right corner of the boarding device. Now this same process applies to you when you're making use of your mobile phone. On your mobile phone, all you need to do as well is to download the Southwest Airlines mobile app, then check in on the flight as well using the app. Then during the check-in, click on view boarding pass, then save the boarding pass to your phone by also clicking on the camera icon at the top right corner of the boarding pass, and your boarding pass would be saved just like that. So that is how you can get boarding pass on your phone on Southwest Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good day.